A home security camera captured a terrifying moment as a woman was walking down the street when three dogs suddenly burst out of a yard and charged straight at her. She tried desperately to fight off the aggressive dogs, but they refused to back down. Drivers passing by stopped, screaming and throwing bottles to scare the dogs away. And then a brave veteran stepped in. Despite facing his own health challenges, he rushed forward and helped the woman escape the danger. She was later taken to the hospital. After the incident, the veteran shared that if such a thing had happened to his daughter, he would have hoped someone would step in to help her as well.